Education is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world. Good morning. My name is Dilpreet Kaur. I read in 92 class. I feel lucky to have a golden opportunity to speak towards yourself on the topic Vedic education versus modern education. Before starting the topic, I want to tell you that Vedic education also means the Gurukul system of past. The Gurukul system of education is just another educational system that is quite similar to the residential schools of today. A lot of people tend to associate Gurukul system of education with the Hindus and a system of education where exclusively Hindu scriptures were taught. This is not correct. Yes, it is true that is one of the oldest system of education, but other that there is no exclusive or direct link of the system itself to Hindus. In the Gurukul system, the students are required to stay and study at the hermitage of a teacher who imparts to them all the necessary skills required for them in their future. Most of these children came in from various backgrounds. Some were affluent while some others were poor. But once they were a part of the Gurukul, they were all treated equally. There was nobody superior or inferior in the eyes of the teacher except for academic progress. These Gurukuls were located outside the city limits, usually in a forest area. The parents and immediate kith and kin of the student were not permitted to come and meet the children often. For the time that they lived there, students were considered to be the teacher's own family. Children were sent to the Gurukul at the age of 9 or 10 and stayed there until they were about 16 or 17. And on the other hand, modern education. The modern education says focuses on grades more than the student themselves. The schools have no interest in the character development of the student. They are only concerned with the marks the student scores, the number of trophies the students bring back to school, etc. Everything is about marks. Modern education teaches about the skills required today, that is, the skills of science and technology. In addition to listening, the modern education includes writing, visualization, imagination, and thinking skills. The modern school system was brought to India, including the English language, originally by Lord Thomas Babington Macaulay in 1830s. The curriculum was confined to modern subjects such as science and mathematics. Modern education always correlates with technology. The more advanced method you implement in learning and teaching, the more you seek moderate in education. Modern education can also mean teaching with new tools that technology is offering, such as electronics, that the new generation likes and enjoy by working on them, such as iPads, mobile phones, etc. There are some schools that use e-books through electronics. At last, I want to say that education is definitely important to one's life. Education makes people capable of doing new interesting things that can go a long way to improving human living conditions and standards. Our whole life is a process of learning and gaining new useful knowledge. Thanks and have a nice day.